Hey everybody, well, I'm going to do my version of a review on a flashlight that pretty much everybody on YouTube's covered. It is the ThruNite 1012 2016 version. Hey, stick with me. Let's check this thing out right quick. Alright, so there we go. Alright, there's the flashlight. I do have my old one. I've had this one for a while. The only real difference, as you can see right here, the switch, they're different. And on the newer model, the 2016 right here, the 2016, while we're doing this video, if I've got both of them up, the 2016 is the one with the, it's silver switch on it. The older model, I think I've had this one for 2 or 3 years, I can't remember. It's got the black switch right here. So the only real difference is the switch. And supposedly on the 2016, the newer model, the bulb is a little more centralized for better beam focus. Yeah, there is a little bit of a difference. I don't know. Let's see if we can. That's the new light. And that second one was the old light. There is a little bit of a difference. Not much, but a little bit. So let's go over a few things on the new one. We got Firefly, which is the lowest setting. Use that for map reading, you know, being sneaky and stuff like that when you don't want to throw a big beam out there or whatnot. And it is 0.4 lumens. Then you got low, which is 11 lumens. And you have medium, which is 145 lumens. You have high at 370, strobe at 800, and max, turbo, whatever you want to call it. I've seen it things say from 1050 to 1100 lumens, so you know, take it for what it is. The battery is not included. You do have to buy a battery, and on Amazon they go for, you know, anywhere from 40 to 50 bucks. That's where I get mine from, is Amazon. Like I said, the only difference is the upgraded switch and the bulb being a little more centralized for better beam focus. They run a Cree XM L2 LED with about 50,000 hours of lifespan. It does have an auto memory of the last mode used, so it comes on consistently, you know, where you had it at. They come in cool white, which is what this one is. Let's see. Cool white is a little bit brighter than neutral. Actually, I think neutral is around maybe 15-20% less light than the cool white. And it is waterproof up to, I believe it's IPX of 8. And it does use one lithium-ion 18650 battery. Like I said, I used, take it out of here right quick. I used the ThruNite battery, 3400 milliamp hour, 18650. And if you're in need of a good flashlight, one to put in the glove box of your vehicle, you know, keep by the door at the house or in a drawer by the bed, whatever, I'm telling you right now, like I say, this is mine. I bought this new one. I don't know if I've said it yet or not, but I bought this new one as a gift for somebody. I got to get it sent off to them. But this one right here, I mean, I use that thing at least once a day. At least once a day. And I've got the ThruNite headlight also, that I use it regularly, you know. So they're really good lights if you, you know, if you're in need of a good EDC or a good pocket light. You know, I mean, you see how big they are. They're not that big. They fit in your pocket real good. So, and they're not that heavy. So my recommendation is, if you need a good light, there's your one right there. When I go deer hunting, I take this one and I take my headlight. Between those two, that's all I need. You know, like I say, if you're like me, I typically I have a tendency to run mine on medium or high, right around in there, and you know, it does burn through the batteries pretty quick. But when you're out hunting and stuff like that, unless you're tracking late at night or something like that, you know, you're not going to burn through a battery. And even if you do, there's ways to charge them. So you know, you've got all kinds of options. But let me get the packaging right quick, and I'll show you what comes in the packaging. Alright, so when you get it, there's your packaging. The light comes in that little deal. Got a little piece of foam right there. You got a tether. I don't ever use those things, but you know, you got paperwork, instructions, got a pocket clip, snaps on just like that. Put it on there like that. You can put it in your pocket just like that, and the only way it's going to turn on is if you hit this button right here. Hitting this button right here is not going to turn it on. See? The only way you can turn it on is hitting that one. So you can put it in your pocket all day long, just like that. I don't know why you would want to, but if you want, you can conceal carry it also. And you get this little flimsy carrying case. Fits in there, velcros down, got a little hangy deal on it. You get a replacement switch and a couple extra O-rings. Let's see. I cannot remember. I'm trying to sit here and remember how long the battery will last. Oh hell, I was way off. Let's clear this up real quick. Alright, let's clear this up. So, turbo is 1100 lumens for 95 minutes. High is 435 lumens, which the information that I had right here, I've got it written down right here. The information I had said 370. So 435 lumens for 4.2 hours. Medium is 175. See, my information right here was 145. So 175 lumens for 11.8 hours. Low is 18, and my information said 11. You got 18 lumens for 5.5 days. Firefly is 0.4. That's the only one that I had right up there. And that lasts for 74 days. And strobe, which is a good signal, strobe is 1100 lumens, which on my information I had 800, and that lasts for 3.8 hours. So, alright, that pretty much covers everything that I wanted to go over with this flashlight. I wanted to tell you also that if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Maybe comment, ask some questions, whatever. Subscribe to my channel if you don't mind. I think I may have 3 or 4 subscribers. You know, I got a bunch of videos, but you know, nobody ever comments and nobody ever subscribes. So anyway, you know, y'all try to be an encouragement to everybody. Be positive, have positive thoughts, and positive things will come about. So this is Price, and this was my take on the Through Night 1012 2016 version. Y'all have a good day. I'm out of here.